memory that is going to be stored whatever data we are going to store under that. In the magnetic tapes, these two which means a magnetic disk and a magnetic tape are both are going to be covered under a magnetic metals like substrate, and they are going to be store the data under a magnetic disk and your magnetic tapes. Tapes is nothing but it is going to be a normal tapes that is going to be contain the data. Disks are nothing but a cylindrical disk going to store the data. Okay. It is going to be your magnetic disk. This is nothing but it is going to be in a cylindrical disk that is going to store your data. In this, we are going to perform an operation that is going to be read and write. Read is nothing but your documents are going to be saved or read by the user or whoever going to open the file. That is going to be a read operation. Write is nothing but a modifying of your data. Modifying means if you are going to rewrite the documents means you are going to use the write operation to modify the data. In this, data are stored under this place, which is called as a sectors. Cylinders means what is meant by there are going to be a n number of cylinders. It is going to store the data under the cylinders, and it will be stored as a sector manner. It will be stored under a separate sectors, and it will be stored in a ascending order or descending order. Whatever methodology we need means we can apply in that. Here we are going to use the two types of methods, that is read and write head. Okay. Under the storage system, we are going to see about write levels. Write levels also you are going to be store the data, which is going to be stored in a strip-wise manner. Okay, strip-wise manner. There are going to be 7 levels of writes. One is your write 0. Write 0 is nothing but stripping. It is going to be simply store the data under the disk of write levels. Okay, and then your write 1 levels. Write 1 level is going to be a mirroring techniques. Mirroring means nothing but if you are going to store this is going to be a write level 1, which is meant by mirroring. Under that I am going to have a 2 strips. One is your P1 and your P2 strip. Okay. In this I am going to store a data called 1 means it is going to mirror the data again 1. This is going to be write level 1 technique. It is simply going to take the another copy of your data, whatever you are going to store means will take a duplicate copy and it will store inside the mirroring techniques. Okay, and then we are going to see the level of write 2. It is bit level stripping, which is means in the write level 1 is going to be easiest one, and we are going to implement in the easiest manner. But in we can't modify the data in the write level 1. But in write level 2, we are going to use a parity session, which is means going to be denoted as a P. In write level 2, there are going to be a number of strips. It is going to be 1, it is going to be 2 and 3 and 4. These are the data going to be inserted inside the write data. Okay, we are going to take another strip also. It is going to be 5, 6 and 8. In this we are going to add a one more strip, that is going to be a parity strip, that is going to be denoted as P. Okay, we are going to have only one type of parity strip in this session in the write level of 2. Okay, in this we are going to add only one. And then what is meant by byte level means in this we are going to have to change a 1. If this is write 2, in write 3, I am saying in write 3 I am going to add a parity level check in this place. This is going to be byte level. Bit level means it is going to be under the 1, and the byte level going to be in the major of starting of your point. Okay, and then in write level 4, block level. In write level 4, we are going to use n number of strips This is going to be a block, okay? This is going to be block 0, another one is block 1, another one is block 2. In here, I am going to have n number of right levels. 1, 2. This is going to be a parity check. This is going to be in each level of your blocks, okay? In this, it is going to be n, and here I am going to start with 4, 5, and I am going to have a parity check, and then it will be a m number of right levels, okay? This is going to be a block level stripping. In block level, we are going to have each level of blocks, and parity checks are included inside the right level 4. And then in right level 5, it is going to be a block level. As same as the level of 4, we are going to have level 5 right. Each block is going to have a parity check. It is going to A, B, C, D, E, and F. In each level, it will contain a more than level of data inside this blocks, okay? In each level also we are going to use the distributed parity manner, okay? And then inside 2 parity checks means one is going to be a P and another parity is going to be a Q. In right level 6, we are going to use 2 type of parity checks in each blocks. This is going to be a block and this is going to be a B block. In each level, we are going to use